So in this video, I will show you how to create this line wipe transition effects in Canva. Create a new video project. Change the background color. Add your text. Change the font to Anton. Increase the text size. Change the color to white. Go to Effect, select Lift, and increase the intensity. Duplicate the page. Go to Element and add a nature photo. Replace the image as background. Animate the first text to party. Duplicate the second page. Delete the background. Add a square shape. Change the background to black. Go to Layers and make sure the black shape is below the text. Download the third page as PNG. And upload this back to Canva. Delete the page. Duplicate the second page. Delete the text. Add the image we downloaded. Edit the image and remove the background. Resize the image. Add a square shape. Change the color to black and cover the background image. Reduce the page duration. Add transitions. Select line wipe. Set the direction. Increase the duration to 1 second. Apply between all pages. Now see the final results. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more Canva tutorials.